What's up, guys? Go out today. We got these Sodastream things, but we don't have a Sodastream machine. So we're gonna test to see if we mix sparkling water with it, if it'll taste like soda. So let's begin the test.
This has Coca-Cola and I have diet.
Now open this.
Okay, let's see how it looks. Oh, it's so thick. So
I'm pretty sure
you just need a little dash of it.
I feel like you're...
It smells so good, right?
Let me smell.
So I probably need to
You
smell.
can do a challenge where you just drink the Sodastream.
Oh, I think that's gonna make me sick. Okay, go ahead. And maybe a little spoon to stir. Whoa, look at that. I could tell it's a little dark at the bottom. You need to stir it. And then you can add more if it doesn't taste like the Coca-Cola. The reason why we're doing this is because we do want the Sodastream, but we don't like how the cartridge is going to be expensive. Every time you need to replace it.
It actually looks like Coke. I thought it wasn't gonna work, but maybe it'll taste better.
Was it too
Let
sweet?
me try.
Way too watery. Maybe.
Too watery.
I was going to say it looks too clear.
I also read about the Sodastream that you pump in the syrup too, and it takes a while to like figure out how many pumps you need of the syrup. So, like if you actually had the machine, you have to press the button to squirt.
I think you made it way too dark now.
Yeah, it's too dark. Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Water.
And this is how it is probably in the restaurants in the back. They probably just do the same thing, right? Like
No.
they have the big machines back there.
I don't do that.
Yeah, well, they don't have to mix it up.
I worked at a restaurant and they had these boxes of soda syrup and there's like a lot of tubes that connect to them each flavor.
A little more water.
And we got these on Walmart.com.
It's all too dark. I put way too much syrup.
I bet I can if you could.
Oh, got some foamy also.
Now it tastes like Coke.
No, let me
Did
try.
it work out?
Yeah, well.
Yeah, it tastes good.
Yeah? Alright.
I'll try something.
But it's made with sparkling water, so I don't like it.
Wow, that tastes amazing. That tastes just like it just came out of the Coca-Cola can. Helena's gonna make the Diet Cola now. And this is a big bottle. I thought in the picture it was gonna be small. A little splash. Like 2 dashes there. It gets so foamy when you start.
There. It's in dirt. Yeah.
You a little dash more?
Yeah, it's water. Maybe. Oh. I think I accidentally poured too much.
Gotta dilute it a little more. You're all fizzing up there. Wait, that's still a little too strong?
Yeah.
Okay. We got the diet for my son because he likes the Diet Cola the best. We like the regular Coca-Cola.
Okay.
That's good?
Yep.
Well, guys, thanks for watching, everyone. And we got these bottles here on Walmart.com, and they're about $5 each. Please subscribe. We have a lot of other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.